Hi, this is Mark Rogers, and welcome to my YouTube channel called Stooltime Counseling. Today I'd like to share with you a recipe that I came up with a number of years ago called Coff-Tea. Now you ask, what is Coff-Tea? Well, for me it is a combination of combining coffee with tea. You mix the two ingredients together and you have Coff-Tea. I'm going to share with you my recipe right now. First, let's see by a show of hands how many people out there enjoy drinking a cup of coffee, either in the morning or throughout the course of the day. Let's see by a show of hands. That would be me. And how many people out there enjoy drinking a cup of tea, if not once in a while, every day? Let's see by a show of hands. All right, I see a lot out there who are saying yes. Well, my recipe includes combining both coffee with tea together to make what I call Coff-Tea. Now, there are many health benefits to coffee as well as to tea. For all you married couples out there, for example, coffee has been shown to improve your sex life. Now, the research I've done on that matter includes seeing scrolled inside a bathroom wall the words, "For a good time, call Juan Valdez." Now you can do your other research and find some other reasons why coffee is beneficial. Now there are also risks associated with drinking coffee. Everything has health benefits and risk benefits, or benefits versus risks. We always got to weigh that out. The risk involved in drinking coffee is if you're sensitive to caffeine, which is a stimulant, it could affect your heart. Or if you have high blood pressure, it's not a good thing. For people like that, you may want to choose decaf, or to cut back on the amount of caffeine you take in a day. What I do is I will drink a blend called 50% caffeine, 50% decaf. So I get a 50-50 blend. So it's not that much of a charge to my heart or my blood pressure. Now let's talk about some of the delivery methods on how you can make your own Coff-Tea recipe at home. There are three different methods. There's the Keurig machine method, the traditional coffee pot method, or the third method that I will explain to you last. But let's start with the first one, which is the Keurig. Now, Keurigs usually come with, or you buy these plastic K-cups that are not cheap and they're not eco-friendly, because once you're done with these and you throw them out, they go into a landfill, and who knows how long it takes for the plastic to disintegrate. All right, not very eco-friendly. It's kind of like parents who have a toddler and they use the difference between using disposable diapers and cloth diapers. All right, the disposable diapers get thrown out after they're done being used by the baby, and the parents throw them out and they get sent to the landfill and through the trash, and who knows how long they take to disintegrate. Whereas if you have cloth diapers, you can just, like my mom used to do, rinse them out in the toilet and then reuse them after you wash them. But anyway, the alternative to using the plastic K-cup is the reusable K-cup. It's like this. You reuse it each time you use it after you're done using it. So you pour the coffee in there to your liking, the amount of tea you like. I like the green tea. Okay, snap that back into place. Back in there, and you're ready to brew. You're ready to go. Now, as far as using the traditional coffee cup, you've got this contraption in here with the filter. I like using the brown filter because it's not bleached like the white filter. You pour in your coffee, you pour in the amount of tea that you want. You have that in there together, put it back in there, and pretty soon you're ready to enjoy a pot of coffee throughout the course of the day, you and your family, or co-workers at your job. Now, the third way that I was going to say I'm going to mention is if you're in a restaurant or even at home and you want to just brew a cup of coffee at home. Well, after you brew your coffee, and this works best in a restaurant or even at home if you don't have a Keurig, you have your coffee in there and you take the tea bag and you dip it in a few times, and then you got the mixture Coff-Tea all set. So there you have it. Stooltime counseling recipe, secret recipe for what I call Coff-Tea. Hope you enjoy and bon appetit.